Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on testing your connection on PS4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and swipe to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Network. Now select Test Internet Connection. Wait while the test is conducted and the results will show. That is how you can test your internet connection on PS4. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.